This small window, when you put a film in it, it will show the number of exposure for that film, 24 or 36 or maybe 12 if we can find such, and the ISO for that film. Normally these cameras are do detect the ISO automatically, so you don't have to worry. Some perhaps more experienced photographs like to override the ISO. They push it one stop. They will just need to perhaps search on internet how to do this. You need to tape the rolled canister with some aluminum foil and black paper, just changing the code from the basically each canister has a code on it, which may not appear as one, but it is. This surface here, shiny squares and black squares, are read by these small electric pins, and automatically the camera knows that this pattern arrangement is a ISO 200. ISO 400 will have different squares and different white shiny squares and so on. Some people just cover this, can Google up and just fool the camera to think this is maybe a 400 or 100. If you think the camera is overexposing or underexposing, which is quite rare for these automatic ones, but depends on the film also, that you may use a different, more professional film, and basically you can fool the camera to overexpose or underexpose all the pictures once you put those tapes on the film and put a canister in the camera. So Google up about it. There's a do-it-yourself blogs that show how to do this trick.